No, 2025 is started. These people, they are recommending you now. No. That ID is not for Home Affairs. Check. That ID is not for Home Affairs. Wait, I want to agree. I agree with you. You are showing me this.
Now where?
You are saying this is right.
No, I see just 2020.
It says 2026. That's your argument.
No, my document is 2020.
Wait, listen to me properly. You are saying that 2026 is the last time you can leave the ID.
No, my ID is 2020.
I'm not talking about your ID. You showed me this. What was the point of me showing me this? That your ID expires in 2026.
No.
Did you read the red writing underneath?
No, I didn't read it.
Read it. What does it say? So what does it say? Say it loud. There's cameras. You want me to read it for you?
Yeah.
It says you must reapply. Did you apply?
No, I can't.
So you are illegal.
You should be gone by now.
What?
You are illegal. You haven't reapplied because the document is not supposed to be used.
I didn't know.
So what? No, you did. No, you pointed me to it. It was you who showed me on the thing. You showed me.
You asked me.
You showed me. Don't get technical with me. Don't get cocky with me. Don't try it. Don't ever try. This is my country.
I know.
So I'm not coming to be technical in your country. This is my country. And you led me to the 2026 from the 1984. It says reapply. You haven't reapplied. So your ID is invalid. And you are coming here to apply for a permit, taking on South African opportunities with illegal documentation.
What I can do, tell me.
Sorry, you're coming to buy the documents or
They're coming to apply for a permit.
you come to apply for it. Expired document.
Okay, what I can do.
My man, you like an advisor saying, let's go straight to the police station right here and hand the stuff in.
We must have it because the right is up.
Yes.
Where are the police?
The police is behind here.
Where are the police? You already contact the police.
Yeah, that's the police.
Explain it.
Where's your mother? The mother is also here. Bring your mother here.
No, we'll call the police.
Yeah.
We'll call the
The
police.
mother is also here.
Yes, so that they can sort it out this thing. We are tired of you guys.
Okay.
And you got attitude. You got a bad attitude.
That's a
You got a bad attitude.
Where's your wife?
The mother is somewhere here.
Bring the person who came with. Call him to come down now.
She was here just now.
Call that person. You take this country for granted, guys, eh? Which country coming from? Somalia. All the way from Somalia to do
Can
nonsense
I
here.
go to do this thing you're doing right now in Somalia?
Call your wife. Whatever it is. No, call her. Don't go. Call her.
How do you allow a person to go upstairs? Let's go upstairs.
I can come here anytime and just go inside the office and go upstairs. Then you won't say
No, guys, don't play around. Don't play around.
Then this one. Let's go. Let's go and fetch it. Let's go and fetch it.
What is she going to do?
Bring her down.
So why is she upstairs?
I have one question for you.
Talking.
I have one question. No, I have one question.
Fine, you went toilet, Mama. What are you coming to do? Yeah?
This man says you just went past without him allowing you to come in. Did you speak to him?
Toilet only. I
Sorry,
said,
guys, wait for toilet.
yeah.
Sorry?
Now,
You're changing your story.
No, me, I like to my son working in
Okay.
No, I work in the shop here.
Which shop?
Is this a public toilet?
No, I asked him online me. I big mama. I went to
All right.
toilet. I asked online
So,
toilet. I'm
you work for
I'm in
Home
the
Affairs?
toilet.
No, I'm just the shop.
So you're working here doing photos,
I
no?
asked him. Yeah,
And then what is this doing
Never
here?
say never ask. You saw you the time you come inside. And then we asked him that why are you coming to here?
On duty.
No, he never did. Ask him.
Which security company allows someone to sleep on duty? Hey, Madala, don't make us stop it. When you are a security, you work 12 hours, 6 to 6, and sleeping on duty is a serious offense. Which security company that allows you to sleep on duty? Because the guardroom does not provide mattress and beds. No guardroom provides mattress and beds.
Home Affairs, jalo la Home Affairs, jalo
Kuyalalwa Home Affairs eThekwini umngene road bayalala lama security.
Which security company? Let me call the security. Why is there a security? Sorry. Listen, answer my question first. Which security is sleeping there? He's normal working here, but you're saying he's sleeping there. You're a liar. You're a liar. First they said the woman walked by herself, and then she says you are now the
Are you a South African?
No, see, he's
Are you proud of being a South African? Yes. You love this country?
Exactly.
But you are allowing a foreign person to come into your private space in your bedroom. You're concealing a fugitive.
That is still the toilet.
No, that's not. There's a toilet there. Did she have diarrhea? How long she took on top?
Vele,